What's up, Pythoneers? Python Software Foundation, the organization responsible to manage Python programming language, has released Python beta version 3.10 on 24th of May 2021, that is this Monday. And I decided I should definitely cover this topic, giving you all beautiful viewers a taste of this Python's new release. So in this video, I am going to cover some of the major Python updates that are brought in this release. To get a more in-depth analysis, you can check out my blog, link is in the description down below. Also, to get updates with the latest trends in Python and programming, smash that subscribe button and click the bell icon to get notified about my videos. As I was saying, Python version 3.10 is here and Python developers have brought a bunch of changes for you all to know. So let's go through some of the major changes one by one. First item in our list is parenthesized context managers. Context managers are used within Python for easily managing resources. Many resources within Python like files, database connections, etc. needs to be opened and then closed before program execution ends. If many such resources are used within a single program, it may become difficult for programmers to ensure that all of them are closed. To ease such a situation, Python uses context manager classes along with the with keyword to easily manage resources. In Python 3.9 and below, with statement did not consist of parentheses and only allowed one context manager class to be used with one with keyword. But Python 3.10 allows users to use multiple context manager class objects within one with keyword, something like this. All the examples here are valid and you can use any of these within your code once you have Python 3.10 installed. And that reminds me, if you want to download Python 3.10, check out this video where I have shown how you can download and install Python within 5 minutes. You have to use the exact same steps to download Python 3.10. With context managers cleared, let's move on to the second item in our list, better error messages. This is probably the best update that will help all Python programmers across the world to easily debug their Python programs. Python developers have updated the error messages that Python interpreter gives on encountering any syntax, indentation, attribute or name error. So let's quickly go through them. Number 1. Syntax error. Earlier, on encountering a syntax error, Python interpreter used to display syntax error unexpected EOF while parsing, like I had discussed in my previous video. But now Python provides a more informative error where it includes the location of the unclosed bracket of parentheses instead of displaying the old error of unexpected EOF. To be honest, I have been coding in Python for almost 2 years now, and I still don't know what Python developers thought when adding such a message. But now I take my complaints back. To get more ideas about the new error messages, check out my blog, link is in the description down below. At number 2, we have indentation error. Similar to syntax errors, indentation errors will also display more accurate and informational error and data, including the location of the error. Number 3, attribute error. Now the Python interpreter will recommend suggestions if you ever type any incorrect attribute as to what can be the correct attribute you were referring to. And number 4, name error. Similar to attribute error, Python will also display recommendations in case if you misspell any variable or function name. Improved modules. Apart from Python interpreters, a set of built-in Python modules were also updated. Since the list of modules is large, I couldn't possibly explain all of them in this video. So don't forget to check out my blog for all the details regarding the improved modules. That's all I have for this video, guys. I know this was a very short one considering all the updates introduced in the new beta version, but if I were to explain all of the updates within the single video, it would easily cross half an hour. That's the reason why I created this blog for you all. With this, it's time for me to go. This is Vishesh Dwivedi signing off.